So next we can see the nodal analysis in AC circuit. Okay, so it is a AC circuit. How you can identify the AC circuit? It consists of capacitor, inductor, resistor, etc. Okay, so it is AC voltage. So it is a super node. So how you can identify it is a super node? Because the voltage source is connected between two nodes. Okay, so first you want to identify the node. This is the first node because here capacitor, resistor and one current source and one voltage source is connected in this node. So node means two or more branches connected at a particular point is known as a node. So it is a first node, so that is V1, and it is second node. Okay, so if you see this node here, this resistor, inductor, resistor and this so voltage source is connected. Okay, so we choose these two as two nodes. Okay, so இந்த ரெண்டே நோடா choose பண்ணியிருக்கோம். And if you see, this voltage sources connect between two nodes, so it is known as a super node. And node இடையில connect ஆயிருக்கு அப்படிதானே, so it is a super node. Can you understand? Okay, so now first you want to apply KCL at super node. So what are the two nodes, V1 and V2? So now you want to apply KCL at these two nodes because, so listen, so here the resistor is connected parallel with the voltage source. Okay, resistor is connected parallel with the voltage source. So இதில் வர same voltages falls in this resistor also. இதே voltage தான் இந்த ரெசிஸ்டருக்கும் இருக்கும் அப்படிதானே. ஸோ நோ நீட் டு கன்சிடர், இதை நம்ம ரிமூவ், இதே வோல்டேஜ் தான் இங்கே ஃப்ளோ ஆகும். ஸோ இதை நம்ம ரிமூவ் பண்ணுறோன்னா இதுவும் நமக்கு தேவையில்லை. அதனால தான் ஹியர் தேர் இஸ் நோ கரண்ட் டைரக்ஷன் ஃப்ரம் திஸ் நோட்ஸ். ஓகே, ஹியர் தேர் இஸ் நோ கரண்ட் டைரக்ஷன் ஃப்ரம் திஸ் நோட்ஸ். Okay, so here the resistor is parallel with the voltage source, so you can remove this voltage also because same voltage, இதே voltage தான் இந்த ரெசிஸ்டர்லேயும் இருக்கும். அதனால் இதை எடுக்கணும்னா இதுவும் நமக்கு தேவையில்லை. Okay, so here want to find the Kirchhoff's voltage law at these two nodes. So first apply Kirchhoff's current law, Kirchhoff's current law. Okay, Kirchhoff's current law at node 1. So Kirchhoff's current law at node 1. So here node 1, what is the incoming current? Incoming current is 3 angle 0. So it is a polar form representation, magnitude and angle. And here what are the outgoing current? Outgoing current is I1 in this node. And now coming to this node, what is the incoming current? No incoming current. Okay, there are two outgoing current. What are the two outgoing current? I2 and I3. Okay, we are marking the direction of the current outwards from the node, that is I1, I2 and I3. So here it is the incoming current at node 1 and I1 is the outgoing current. Here both I2 and I3 are the outgoing current. So I1 plus I2 plus I3 is equal to 3 angle 0. Okay, so now what is I1? What is the value of I1? I1 is equal to, what is I1? V1 minus 0 divided by minus J3. Okay, and what is I2? V2 minus 0 divided by J6. Okay, and what is I3? I3 is V2 minus 0 divided by 12. Okay, it is equal to 3 angle 0. So now you want to simplify this. Okay, so if this minus j move to the numerator, it become plus j. Plus j, when it is go to the numerator, it become minus j. Okay, V2 by 12. So what is 1 by 3? 0.33j. Okay, what is 1 by 6? 0.86. Sorry, not 1 by 6 is 0.166j. 1 by 12 is 0.833. Okay, so here we can separate V2, this is the real part and this is the imaginary part. Okay, and you can write the polar form. And now, so okay, we so two nodes, so definitely there will be two equations. So we have write the equation for super node. Now you want to write the equation for this value. Okay, so இதில் voltage இருக்கிறதுக்கு நம்ம equation எழுதணும். So how will you write? So it is plus, so plusக்கு பக்கத்தில் இருக்க voltage என்னது? V1. Here minus, so nearby minus, the voltage is V2. So plus V1 minus V2 equal to 10 angle 45. So V1 minus V2 equal to 10 angle 45. So now we can solve using the Cramer's rule. So while applying Cramer's rule, what is del? What is del? So here two equations are, these two are equations. So del value is 0.33j and other value is 0.833 minus j 0.4166. So right here, and here other one value is 1 and minus 1. Okay, so now take the cross multiply this. Okay, So if you cross multiply, you got this value del, and now del 1 means first place la edha replace pannanom, equal to ku paravarika value first place la replace panna. So here 3 angle 4 is the polar form. So now you want to convert this to rectangular form. So in order to convert this to rectangular form, what will we do? In order to convert the rectangular form, rec of 3 comma 0. Okay, so here in order to see the imaginary part, what will you do? Alpha f equal to 0. Okay, so the answer is 3. Three. So this is one of the method to find the rectangular to polar form. There is another one method also in order to find rectangular to polar or polar to rectangular form. I can give a separate video for this. Okay, so ஒரு separate videoல நான் உங்களுக்கு அந்த எப்படி கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணுறதுன்னு உள்ளது போடுறேன் calculator. So if you see another one method here, what is the other value? What is the other value? Equal to 10 angle 45, correct? 10 angle 45. So how you can find means, see listen, how you can find means 10 angle 45. So we need to find the rectangular form. So shift rectangular of 10 comma 45. Okay, 45. So what is the answer? 7.07. And in order to see the imaginary value, shift f equal to, okay, so same value only, 7.07 j. Okay, so substitute value after cross multiply, we got this value. Okay, we got this answer. So what is v1? V1 is del 1 by del. So del we got, del 1 we got, and del value is this one. Okay, so we got the answer as 12.7 plus 3.15 j. And now in order to convert this rectangular form to polar form, we are substituting shift pole of, okay, so what is the value? 12.7 comma 3.15 j. Okay, so what is the answer? 13.08. In order to see the angle, shift, sorry, not shift, alpha f, okay, equal to, so what is the value? 13.93. So you got V1 value. Similarly, you want to find the value of V2. So for the del 2 you want to find. So for this, in the second place, you want to replace the equal to value. Okay, and you got del 2 value. So what is V2? Del 2 by del. Okay, substitute del 2 and del value and got the answer. Finally, convert the rectangular form to polar form. Okay,